So, Stacey, based on your experience, how far along do you think the companies are?
It depends on the size of the company, honestly. The big, large, top 100 have thought about this probably for the past 10 years because they're going to be the most impacted and they're going to be the first ones that are going to have to file, et cetera. When I think about sort of the medium-sized company, of which there's many more, resources are slim. So they're just starting to think about it now. So I've been on the phone this week with 2 different companies saying help. So, and this is a sort of a snowballing effect. So any company that, they don't have huge accounting and finance divisions. They don't have people solely focused on that. And I have seen them now starting to panic. And the problem with that is the longer you wait, the more money it's going to cost because you're going to have to bring in teams of people to help you. And, there's lots of people out there right now that are banking their business model on this need because it's been proven over and over again, if you wait too long, it's going to cost you a lot of money.
So any suggestions for companies?
Well, specifically, if I can say get started now and, I can apply that to everything. But I think one of the most important things for people to just at least start really thinking about is what are your revenue streams? Because I ask that question a lot and they'll be like, oh, well, we sell this. But how do you sell it, right? So maybe I sell books, right? On Barnes and Nobles, I sell books. So, but how do you sell them? Well, I sell them, people walk into my store. I sell them online and deliver. I sell them to Kindle and it gets downloaded. So those are very specific, different types of revenue. So people have to start really thinking about what is the revenue stream, right? And then based on those revenue streams, what are the contractual obligations of them? Because if I have contracts, we're going to have to start reviewing those contracts for terminology to make sure we're not going to get ourselves in trouble. So, legal has to get involved. When you have written contracts, when you have long-term contracts, making sure that the verbiage isn't going to hurt you at the end and making sure you align the verbiage with the 5 steps that we're going through. So that's really sort of digging deep into the granular pieces of things. So first step is understanding your revenue streams. Second step is understanding your contracts and your legal obligations.